Welcome back everyone with another serious money making machine method. First, let's see how much people are earning from Freepik. Want to know how you can turn Freepik into a money making machine without spending a dime? People are cashing in big time using free resources to generate serious income, and you could be next. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make serious money with Freepik using Leonardo AI. And believe me, this is easy, but the earning potential is massive. Designers are cashing in, creating assets and designs, and making passive income like clockwork. So stick with me because this is another money making machine you don't want to miss. We're kicking off something big and easy to follow, 4-part series. Part 1, creating a Freepik account. Part 2, how to do trend research. Part 3, generating images with Leonardo AI. Part 4, uploading your designs on Freepik. During the tutorial, I will speak slowly, but if you prefer, you can speed up the video in the settings to your preferred pace. Let's start. Search Freepik contributor login on Google. After that, you'll see a sign up button in the right corner. Let's first sign up. There are 3 ways you can sign up, but I will use Google since I'm already logged into Chrome. You can fill in this information if you have it or just save it for later. Then a pop-up message will appear. Congratulations, you're almost ready to start uploading. Click the start uploading button and it will take you to the home page. Before uploading, our next step is trend research. First, go to search trends. As you can see, there are many viral and trendy keywords that people are using to make money. But here's the secret trend research method. Simply search freepik.com calendar on Google and enter the first link. As you can see, there's a full 12-month calendar with the most trending topics. If we work based on this, our side hustle will explode. For example, in September, we have topics like back to school, Labor Day, and Hispanic Heritage Month. And you know what? You could do some advanced homework even before the event shows up. For example, in November, we have Day of the Dead, Diwali, and Black Friday. If you click on the event, you can see how many people are searching for it. For instance, for Black Friday, 20.7M people search for it. Now that you're clear on trend research, let's create some content for our side hustle. We'll start by focusing on the Black Friday niche. Don't worry about how to make it trendy, just follow this simple step. Search for Black Friday in the search bar. In the filter options, you'll see AI generated images. Select this section. Now you'll see the first image on your screen. What you should do is enter that image as it's super optimized. The reason we're focusing on these first images is because of the keywords they've used in their titles, which help them rank at the top. The next step is to go to Leonardo AI and click on image creation. Just copy the first line of the title from the top image and paste it into Leonardo AI. Here's something to remember, we'll repeat this process for every topic. First, copy the title and paste it into Leonardo AI, then hit generate. As you can see, our image is ready. Download it. Also make sure the image resolution meets Freepik's requirements. Format JPG. File size 1.5 megabytes minimum, 250 megabytes maximum. Preview resolution 4 MP minimum, 100 MP maximum. Color mode sRGB, Adobe RGB or Profoto RGB. Let's upscale our image using Upscale software. Download it to upscale your image in bulk. It has different versions for various platforms. Now download 25 images and save them in a folder with a name. Then go to Upscale and upload that folder. Click on the Batch Upscale button, set the model to digital art and image scale to 5x, then set your output folder path. In the settings, save the images as JPG. Once that's done, hit Upscale and boom, we're done. Now we're ready to upload. For uploading, go to the Freepik contributor homepage and click on Upload. Now that we've met all the requirements, it's time to become an active contributor. Submit 25 to 50 files for review. Once they're approved, you're all set to start selling your content. Reminder, it's only 25-50 files, so choose wisely. Next, click on the checkbox to edit metadata. Keep the title as the one you generated from Leonardo AI. Ensure the AI button is on and input the prompt you used in Leonardo AI. For keywords, go to imstalker.com/en/keyworder and search for your topic. You can find the link in the description. I searched for Black Friday and similar images will appear. Just copy the keywords from that image. Once you've uploaded 25 images, click the submit for approval button. And there you have it. Now remember, consistency is key. The more you upload, especially by following the trends in the Freepik calendar, the more your earning potential increases. Whether it's seasonal events or trending topics, stay ahead by creating and uploading as much as possible. This is your opportunity to turn creativity into passive income. So keep pushing, stay consistent, and watch those earnings grow. And hey, don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and make sure to subscribe for more ways to boost your income with AI and design tools. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.